Hey everybody, Mitch Roth here, Regional Proprietary Agronomist with Farmers Business Network. In this video, I want to highlight a few cool updates that have been made to the AcrePlan tool on FBN.com. If you go to FBN.com and navigate to AcrePlan, you'll find some planning tools for some of the most common crops here in the United States. So using soybean as an example, we'll click on that to build an AcrePlan. The first step is to tell us how many acres you plan on growing this year. And then step 2 is to choose what timing you intend to apply chemistry. For example, if you are planning to put down some pre-emerge chemistries, you'd click on this drop down and walk through the step-by-step process guided by agronomic information. We talk about active ingredients, what type of weeds they kill, why you might want to include it. If you're in a no-till environment or have glyphosate resistance, we make comments about that as well. And we walk you through the step-by-step process to build your chemistry plan. Whatever you add to your program, if you hit add to cart at the very end, not only will it add it to your cart, we will also create a shopping list for you to remember what you used last year. And so when you go to plan your chemistry the following year, you can make any edits right there in FBN.com in your account. If you think this is a handy tool or want to explore some different options of different chemistries that may fit the same role of chemistries you're using today, check out AcrePlan at FBN.com.